let's go ahead and make a party favors. This is going to be our chip bag wrapper. This is going to be printed out in an 8.5 by 11. We already have our background, we have our text, we have our images, and all these we did get them in Canva. So what we're gonna do once we arrange everything here, we're gonna do our other party favors. We're gonna do a welcome sign. We're gonna do an invitation. We're also gonna do a juice pouch, a round sticker circle, a water label sticker, and this would be for the party favor boxes, the gable boxes. So let's go ahead and, like I said, all these images are from Canva. You just search for frame, bows, banners. The tags also are from Canva. Some of these images are for Canva Pro users only. So make sure you're using a Canva Pro. So let's go ahead. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do our welcome sign. We already have our welcome sign. So we're going to go ahead and just copy the background, copy, and then we're going to paste it right here. This is a bigger image. So, and then we're just going to go ahead and adjust the size right here. And we're going to go ahead and send it to the back layer, and then we're going to go to the back. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy our frame. And then we're going to, so everything's just going to be from now on, it's going to be just copy and paste. We're going to go ahead and adjust this right here. Whatever size you guys want to. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. And I'm just going to align it center and middle right here. And let me see, let's go bring our, this one. Let's go ahead and change the color of this. We're going to go ahead and change it. And then now what we do, we bring our other elements, whatever you guys want to bring in. We're going to go ahead and bring these in. We're going to go ahead and copy. And then we're going to go ahead and let's move this down and paste it. So there it is. You could extend this one big, larger right here. This one could also be tilted a little more. And then we're going to do this one right here. Our bow here, this one we can make it a little bit bigger. Right here. And there we go. Let's go ahead and move this one more up. And then we're going to go ahead and bring our text, our Catherine's 16th birthday. Copy, and then we're going to go ahead and paste it right here. Paste. We're going to go ahead and let's center this. Let's go ahead. It's centered, and then we're going to group it. Right here, we're just going to go ahead and bring this one here. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this bow. Right there. And there it is. That's our welcome sign. This welcome sign is going to be printed. This is an 8.5 by 5, 8.5 by 11. So you would print it out on an 8.5 by 11 page, and you could put it on a frame. And this would be on your table, on your goodie table, favorite table right there. So these are, if you would like, a welcome sign. Now we're going to go ahead and do the invitation. We're going to go ahead and delete this background. And we're going to go ahead and, again, copy this background. And we're going to go ahead and paste it right here. We're going to go ahead and, adjust the size, send it to the back, right here. So here's all our information. And again, it says join us to celebrate. And we're just going to go ahead and copy this. And we're going to go ahead and paste it right here. Let's go ahead and our size right here. We need to change it. Go ahead. Right here. I think this one we can move it more. Is it in the center? Okay, so for our invitation, I decided to put this bow right here and these balloons right here. That also, these are from the Canva elements. So this is our invitation, same background, same bow, and I just added these balloons right here just to fill in some space, and we kept the same Catherine's sweet 16th birthday. This is going to be our juice pouch sticker label. So we're going to go ahead and copy the background. We're going to go ahead and paste it. We're going to go ahead and put it right here, send it to back. And then we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead, let's go ahead and use the same bow, frame, everything. Let's go ahead and copy all this. Copy. Bring it right here, paste. I'm going to go ahead and right here. We're going to go ahead and check the position right here. We're going to go ahead and bring our thank you for coming. Bring this down right here. Let's go ahead and let's align it, group it. Right here, we're going to bring our thank you for celebrating. This is too big. Right here. I don't quite like this one. Let me go ahead and change it. Okay, so look, for the juice pouch label, I added this, the banner, the bow, another banner on this side. Then we added the balloons right here and the bow, okay? So now we have our round circle label. We're gonna go ahead and delete these. Let me go ahead and copy. Let me see if I could get this one in here. Paste right here, perfect. Thank you for celebrating. We're gonna go ahead and change this color. Let me see, let's go ahead and change this color. I don't want it black. Yeah, this one's fine. So we're going to go ahead and just, once again, we're going to go ahead and add all this, copy, paste it right here. I think I should, I'll leave it like that. And then we're going to go ahead and let's put a border on this. And then let's do the pink right here. Let me see, do I have? Okay, right there. And then we can go ahead and get our bow. And then we're going to go ahead and put it here. So we have our water bottle. Let me go ahead and get our background from here. Copy. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit big. No, actually make it like this. We're going to go ahead and stretch it out. We need to make this smaller. And then just put it right here, align it, stretch it out, bring it down, send it to the back, right here. Then we're going to go ahead and delete this. We're going to leave these the same right here. Then we're going to go ahead and, okay, so we're going to go ahead and center this one. We're going to go ahead and tilt it right here. And we're going to put it like this. And it's going to go centered. Let's go ahead. We just align to center and align to middle right here. There it is. So that's our middle. We're going to go ahead and get our name, copy, paste. We're going to go ahead and put it right here. I think I want this one smaller. And let's go ahead and center, middle right here. Our name goes right here. Also in the center, let's center it. And let's go ahead and add our bow, copy. We're going to go ahead and paste it right here. We're going to go ahead and bring it up here. It's going to be too small right there. Or our bow could go over here as well. Those too big. So we're going to go ahead and just use, we're going to go ahead and use the balloons. Copy and paste it. We're going to bring them right here. Oops. Let's go back. I'm going to go ahead. Oh my goodness. Okay. Click on the balloon. And our balloon's going to go right here. And our other balloon is going to go right here. And the bow, let me see, copy. Is there space for the bow or no? Paste. You can put it right here and there. Perfect. Okay. So this is our water bottle label. Now we have one more. We can go ahead and copy, paste. This is going to be our party favor box, gable box or favor box. And send it to the back. Let's delete this. Let's go ahead and bring our text right here. Paste. I'm going to go ahead and, oops, we're not going to use this frame. We're going to use the other one. This one. Copy. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And let's go ahead and align it here in the middle. Let's go ahead and position it right here. So let's see, is it in the middle, center, perfect, right here. We'll go ahead and find our other images. Right here, we're going to go ahead and use the same balloons. Copy, go back, paste it. We're going to have this one right here. And there we go. We'll go this one right here. And right there. Maybe this one a little bit bigger. Right there. So we have our two balloons. Let's get our bow, copy, and paste. And this is how easily you can make a whole set of party favors. It's just once you have the first design, your elements, you just copy them to all of the other elements right here. Let me see, do I want another bow over here or is it too much? We can leave it right there. Yes. So here is our gable box label or the party favor boxes. This is our water bottle label. It could be a sticker. You could print it on photo paper. These are our round circles, 2 inch. You can make them 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch. It's up to you. These could be for cupcake toppers, for cup labels, for boxes, for treat bags. You can put them anywhere. This is going to be our juice pouch label. This is going to be on like on your Capri Sun juices. These are our invitations that you're going to be sending them out as digital or printing them out. It's up to you. And this is going to be our welcome sign that you're going to have on a table, welcoming people, thanking them, and then it could be like on your sweet treats table. And these is going to be our chip bag. I could put this one over here. It doesn't need to be over there on the top, like that. And this is for Catherine's sweet 16th birthday, but you could put it any age. So thank you guys for watching. If you are interested, you guys could go ahead and check my profile, go to the link, and check out our party favor bundles right there. Thank you guys for watching.